कॉकरोच के साथ स्टंट होगा, क्रोकोडाइल के साथ स्टंट होगा, हाइट से कूदना पड़ेगा, सो वो तो है। नर्वसनेस भी है। सुपर एक्साइटेड, दे शेयरिंग सच गुड positive thoughts and all the good wishes. So it's so nice. My weakness is definitely water.
Yeah.
Strength is that I can be calm. Hi, this is Niyati Fatnani and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Bus, and today we have Niyati with us. So firstly, Niyati, big congratulations.
Thank you so much.
नियति कितना एक्साइटमेंट है फॉर खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है ऑफ कोर्स। एड्रेनलिन जो रश होता है, एवरी डे आई एम लाइक फीलिंग अभी से कि यार कॉकरोच कॉकरोच के साथ स्टंट होगा, क्रोकोडाइल के साथ स्टंट होगा, हाइट से कूदना पड़ेगा, सो वो तो है। नर्वसनेस भी है।
Has he said जैसे कि आप कॉकरोचेस को देखकर सोच रहे हो कि इनके साथ स्टंट करना होगा, कि अभी से वो फियर निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
हाँ, जब से मैंने शो के लिए हाँ बोला है तब से मेरा वो पेप टॉक शुरू ही हो गया है कि अगर छिपकली बाय चांस देख ली तो इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट आई एम लाइक
calming yourself.
खतरों खतरों खतरों। ओके,
I think that's the best part. How to calm yourself. नियति, अगर बात किया जाए, ये शो है all about the calmness and the strength. How you're preparing yourself?
सो फिजिकल फिटनेस पे मैं हमेशा से ही काम करती आई हूँ। आई मेक श्योर माय वर्कआउट्स आर डिफरेंट, माय बॉडी इज लाइक बिकॉज the profession we are in.
Yeah.
But mentally also, like I realize that khatro is just not about physical strength.
True.
You have to be facing a lot of other fears which you are not even aware of, that
Yes.
you feel, like you are scared of those
Yeah.
things. तो उस time पे nothing is going to work. Just I think भगवान का नाम is going to work for me. And yeah, I will breathe and all those things, as you said, calm रहना बहुत ही important है, क्योंकि हम feared ही इतने हो जाएंगे तो I don't think I'll be able to pull off any stunt. So yeah, वो तो तभी से शुरू हो गया है, जब से मैंने शो के लिए हाँ बोला है कि तब से I'm prepping myself कि नहीं, you have to be calm, you have to be calm.
Niyati, I think this will be your first reality show.
Yes.
उसके लिए कितना एक्साइटमेंट ना, फर्स्ट रियलिटी शो, वो भी डायरेक्टली खतरों के खिलाड़ी।
Yeah, so exactly, जब मुझे शो ऑफर भी हुआ तब मैं सोच रही थी यार, मतलब मैंने तुरंत हाँ नहीं बोल दिया, बिकॉज एडवेंचरस एंड स्पॉटी मेरी पर्सनालिटी नहीं है. इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट डांस, एंड दिस एंड दैट. But then I thought, as a person, I'm also somebody who likes to grow.
Yeah.
And to do something new. And also, no, I'm not at all complacent. So I'm like, then why am I not using this opportunity? That I'll be fighting my fears, and secondly, my fans will see me in a never seen avatar. I mean, they know that I can dance and I can do other reality shows and stuff. But this, so they wouldn't have even expected that Niyati will do Khatro. And but yeah, they are like really excited as soon as they got to know. They are super excited and they're sharing such good positive thoughts and all the good wishes. So it's so nice.
Niyati, as you said, as an artist and as an actor, you have to keep growing.
Yeah.
For you, ये सफर कितना मुश्किल था, as an acting journey, as a Niyati's journey of an actor?
Yeah. So in the beginning, I don't think I faced that thing, because surprisingly I was absolutely raw and new. And I honestly don't think that I was that pretty also.
Why?
But then I just got my first show and then the second show.
Yeah.
Because I think that time the directors were looking at rawness.
True.
And probably the naiveness, that I had that time. So that's there. And now I've become like pretty choosy also, that I don't say yes to every other project that I get. Because then again I feel that यार ये तो मैंने पहले कर लिया है. I am not learning anything. I don't think I can entertain my fans.
Yeah.
And so yeah, now I feel now it's like difficult.
You have to be choosy.
Yeah, it's choosy also, and also not every time you get what you want now. So you have to wait, and you have to manifest that good work for yourself. So yeah, that's there. I hate waiting, but I also life has taught me that all good things happen when you
Yes.
wait, you know, all good things happen with
And it's
time.
happening.
Yeah, and it's happening.
Manifestations.
Yeah.
नियता, अगर बात किया जाए शो के बारे में, खतरों के
हाँ.
खिलाड़ी, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कामनेस की भी काफी जरूरत है, लेकिन काफी इसमें स्किल्स की भी जरूरत है, नो,
Yes.
ड्राइविंग, स्विमिंग एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yes.
how you are preparing yourself for the swimming and high jump? I know you can't go trampoline every day to feel that.
Yeah. I can't. No, I can't. That's what, you know, when you asking me how do you prepare, I'm like, how do we prepare? I mean, 40th floor से jump करना तो कहाँ से आएगा? I mean,
Yeah.
कैसे, you know? So for that, so honestly, I really don't know. I mean, because I have never been in that situation. मतलब जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है that you know हम बाहर घूमने जाते हैं और हमने बंजी जंपिंग कर ली या you know हमने because I had done a show, supernatural show,
Yeah.
जिसमें मुझे हर दूसरे दिन हार्नेस पे लटकना होता था.
Exactly, my next question was that only.
हाँ.
शो में हार्नेस के साथ
हाँ.
स्टार्ट करना was different, and this
Yeah.
will be a completely different.
Absolutely different thing, you know, क्योंकि वहां पे तो रीटेक भी होता है.
जी.
यहाँ पे कहाँ रीटेक होगा? यहाँ पे it's all, you know, you have to either you go ahead or you abort. And I'm not a person who can or who is willing to abort.
Yeah.
Ever. So वही है that you know हनुमान चालीसा बोलूंगी मैं. Or I'll keep myself calm and I'll just go ahead with it.
Okay, what is your strength and weakness?
My weakness is definitely water.
Yeah.
You know, strength is that I can be calm. I might look like you know अरे ये तो बहुत ही frenzy है या you know बहुत ज़्यादा panicky है या probably बहुत petite है. But no, that's not my strength. I consider sorry, that is not my weakness. I consider all of it as strength because when you're light bodied, when you know when you are agile, all these things are going to be you know helpful there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lastly, Niyati, I want to know from your side, काफी contestants आ रहे हैं और you know who are coming with you.
Yeah.
Many friends are with you
Yeah.
also. किसके साथ stunts perform करने के लिए excitement है?
मैं honestly अदिति के साथ अदिति है, कृष्णा है. They've become like Aditi though I know for a very long time now. Krishna, I recently had an opportunity. You can know her and she's really sweet. So stunt भी करने में उनके साथ मजा आएगा and I'm sure जो भी time उनके साथ निकालना है that will be also like you know pally time with them.
Okay, one message for the audience. जो काफी excited है to see you on Khatro.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. That you know you always showered so much love and you know so much blessings upon me. So please keep continuing your shower and shower your blessings and love because वहाँ पे तो मुझे बहुत काम आने वाला है जब मैं crocodile के साथ लड़ रही होंगी. It is your blessings only that is going to help me. You know. क्रोकोडाइल के साथ स्टंट करो हाइट का फियर दूर करो एंड ऑल दैट. थैंक यू
so much and all the best.
थैंक यू सो मच.